Good morning, Aquila. So this is our last house assembly before we break up for Christmas. I just wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas, and you have all worked extremely hard this year. I know we have a full whole school assembly tomorrow morning to celebrate, but this is just a quick message from me to say well done for all your efforts this term. It has been a very challenging and difficult time. I know for some of you at home it has been a challenge. You have vulnerable people at home as well, so trying to keep everybody safe and each other safe in school has been vital. So really well done for all your support and effort with that. Well done for all your incredible praise points. You have done a tremendous job. You have worked so hard and you should be really proud of yourselves, as we are. In regards to Christmas this year, we know it is going to be very different. We know it will be a challenge not to see your friends and families all the time and over the festive period. However, there is a reason for this. We are trying to keep each other safe. We're trying to support each other. We're trying to make sure that we have an end to the coronavirus and that we finally, eventually get back to some normality when we return to school. And certainly in the springtime, hopefully, I can go back to the drama studio and teach as I would normally do in there. And I know Mrs. Leasley and other practical subjects can go back to what we had done before. So let's make sure that we keep each other safe, make lots of phone calls to friends and family, keep in touch with each other via FaceTime, etc., Zoom calls, Microsoft Teams, as much as you can. That shouldn't stop us. The fact that we can't see each other face to face doesn't mean that we can't keep in contact with each other. Have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will look forward to seeing you in the new term.